Good morning, dear children. We were doing the chapter Safety First. So, in that, we learned that how can we keep ourselves safe on the road by following the rules. While following the route, we can avoid accident in the bus, in the near the swimming pool, and these accidents are only not dangerous for us, but all the kind of people around us. They can be young people, old people, elderly people. So, these accidents can be harmful for any one of us. Either for us, they may harm us or the people around us. Now, let's see safety rules at home. When we are at home, then even lot of accident takes place. So we must follow some basic safety rules. Never play with sharp objects like knife and all, like blade, knife or scissor. You may cut yourself badly. Do not touch or play with electrical wires and plugs. It can be very dangerous. Never play in the kitchen when your mother or elders are cooking. Now, when someone is cooking or doing something on the fire, you should not disturb them or neither play around them. It may happen they take off a hot pan or a hot burden or a hot vessel, anything from the gas stove containing hot liquid, and when they transfer it, it may fall on you or it may fall on them also to save you. So it is dangerous for both the person who's cooking and you also. So never play in the kitchen. Do not lean your toys do not leave your toys lying on the floor. Someone may fall from them. Do not run down the stairs or push on the stairs. You may fall or you may get fractured, or even it may happen with others also. Then what else? Other than this, never ever try to play with things, sharp objects, or things like blade or something, or do not try to put pour oil in the kitchen or on the floor. Someone may slip or fall. So do not run on the stairs, push others on the stairs. Either you may fall or get fracture. Never eat or play with the things like naphthalene ball, floor cleaner. They are poisonous. So the floor cleaner, the other things used for cleaning, you should never try to eat them or drink them or put them in other things. Why? Because it may be dangerous. These are poisonous. Never burn firecrackers alone on Diwali festival. Never try to be big water tanks. Try to go inside and close the tank. You may fall or you may get suffocated. Anything can happen. Play safe colors, herbal colors on Holi. So you have to be safe on Holi, Diwali, crackers are there on Holi, colors are there. So do not try to play with anything which is not of your use, or if it is your use and you think we need someone elder in that, do not try it alone. Always have an elder around you to try anything. Then first aid. Now, what is first aid? First aid is the aid or the help given to a sick or injured person before the doctor arrives. फर्स्ट एड का मतलब है पहले दिया जाने वाला एड. जब भी किसी को चोट लगती है, कोई एक्सीडेंट होता है, कोई बीमार है, इट टेक्स डॉक्टर टू कम टू यू. है ना, डॉक्टर को आने में थोड़ा तो टाइम लगता ही है. तो उसका क्या रीज़न है? उसका ये है कि आप जो है डॉक्टर के आने से पहले जो उसकी हेल्प करते हैं उसे फर्स्ट एड कहते हैं. And you must have a first aid box at home also. And in the school we have it. You remember when you used to go to sister's office, there's a box with cotton, bandage, medicines and everything. For what it is? So by chance if anyone get hurt, we can first aid them. If someone at home gets hurt, we must inform our elders. You get cut your finger or burn your hand, tell your elder immediately. They will give you first aid. This will help you to get relief from the pain and prevent further hurts. Further hurts mean any further pain or any further you can say injury can be removed, can be avoided. Now you will read the chapter once again. Read the chapter, do word B. Try to do the exercises and then we'll discuss them in the next class. See you in the next class, children. Bye.